Hi guys, so this is what I'm looking at this morning. I have been wanting to rearrange my diamond press boxes. So they do carry a lot of diamond press things. They also hold some spellbinders items. And since I've been kind of repackaging my spellbinders things and I have a lot of diamond press, I really need to arrange them in a different way. Like right now I have some boxes that say like stamps and dies and backgrounds or alphas or slimline or auto ship, and those are fine, but I think I'm going to separate things out better into occasions. So if there are any of these boxes on HSN there, I'll link them in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But for right now, I have my work cut out for me. Most of them are already labeled. They're ready to go. They've already been in the boxes. Like every one of these boxes is full of something. So I just have to rearrange some things and rename like the little folder, the dividers. Like these dividers don't have any names. Unfortunately, some of these don't have labels yet, so I'm going to go ahead and print out labels for them, because sometimes I just get things going, get them in the plastic, pockets, and I'll deal with it later as far as labeling. So some of them don't have labels, but older sets definitely do have labels. Like in here, you can see pretty much everything is labeled. So I have to think of how I'm going to do this, because I do want to keep auto ships together. I think, background dies, alpha dies, those kinds of things are easy, but at the same time, if it's a certain season, I'm going to separate it out. So if it's like alphabet dies that have to do with fall or whatever, or Christmas time, I'll separate them that way into those occasions. Hopefully that makes sense. So when I come back, hopefully I'll have some good progress. I'm just going to sit here on the floor and just do some organizing. Okay guys, I pretty much got it done. I usually keep like cute things in front of here, but I'm going to clear that out because I need to be able to access these things better. I do have some card kits here. Everything in there is labeled. I do have some boxes that I need to find a place for. So this kind of those metal rack things, it holds like 8 of them with some room to kind of work with them, right? But like I have a few others left down here. Let me show you. So down here, I just have 4 more stacked up that I need to make space for. There is room right on top of this area that I do not use well, so I'm going to mess with that. These are the spellbinders ones that I've been arranging in those new Amazon folders I've been getting. But I do have some in the front that are diamond press. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. So foliage dies. These are all like just like background. Oopsie. Kind of dies. So I'm gonna get these out because I do have a spellbinders box that's about 2. One that I haven't begun yet, so I'm gonna get those in there. But for now, I have all these background ones and some other things, but they all look basically like this, So I'm happy with my progress. A lot to do still, but we're getting there. Well, since I have people here working on the house, I'm going to go through all my paper too. Look at those. These are all the things I normally just keep next to me, and they usually fit in this box, but they're like overflowing. So I guess I'll be doing that too in this video. Okay, not too bad. I got rid of a lot of tiny bits, but I have it gold, silver, white, kind of pearlish, off-white, and then Roy G. Biv, of course, all the way to the back, and then brown and black.